Hello, my future self. Um, I'm decided to record my trade recaps every day as a form of journaling for myself. And I thought, why not? I might as well just upload them to YouTube because, you know, might as well. Nice to keep them all in one place. So, yeah, just a little bit of background if anyone is watching or cares, but, whatever. I've been trading for about 3 months, mainly trade micro, NASDAQ, usually at US Open. I'm from the UK, but I do trade the US Open at 9:30. So anyway, not that anyone cares. So today, uh, I was pretty bullish on the day. Looking at the bias on the 4-hour chart, we came down, we swept this low of liquidity. We've been on a pretty strong bull run the past sort of week. So yeah, I wanted to obviously wait until the 10 a.m. candle opened up before I really start taking a deeper look. So that's usually my first thing. Wait until 10 a.m. candle opens up, mark the high and low of the previous one. Now we can scale down and see what's actually going on. As you can see, we swept this liquidity, gave us a nice 1 hour fair value gap right there. Come down into the 15-minute. Again, another nice fair value gap, and one right here. So I was cautious that we could potentially continue this sort of 4-hour move down. So I really wanted to see how we reacted off these fair value gaps, if we would hold them or not. So anyway, we came down. Market open was around here. So we came down, pushed back up, and here is really where I wanted to see what was going to happen. Obviously, this is the first 15-minute fair value gap. Were we going to hold it? Were we going to potentially tap into it and come back down? But we pushed straight through it, which was immediate, again, indication that we were going to be bullish. Created another 1 minute fair value gap here, inverse this 15-minute. So I was just waiting for price to come down and tap into it. Once it did, I entered somewhere around here. Stop at the low. I took my first profit at this level here. In hindsight, I should have kept more on, but my main target was, I think, somewhere around up here. Basically, I went onto the 1 hour. Where are we? And used my little fib tool, brought that up, and that was about 50%. So just in case, I've only been trading for 3 months, so I'm still cautious. I'm still trying to work on my patience and my strategy and all that. But I highlighted this sort of 50% moment, and that is where I ended up taking my profit, full position. So I took most of my position off here and all my position off here. It's about $800, $900 on a prop firm eval account, not live money. So yeah, overall I'm happy. Obviously, in hindsight, I did leave quite a lot of money on the table, but it's one of the first days where I felt like I was pretty patient. I didn't rush into anything. I didn't get FOMO or overtrade. I really wanted to wait and let the market come to me and really force the market to make me trade, to give me an opportunity that was too good I couldn't pass up. And yeah, we got that. So yeah, overall happy with it. In the future, I probably will continue to make these when I trade, which is pretty much every day in the week. Um, Again, more for my own sort of journaling. I think I'm going to find this easier than writing, even though I do write as well, but at least I can visually see, and also I can just chat a load of rubbish that I can't bother to write down. So yeah, ultimately happy with that. If there is anyone actually watching, which I'm sure there isn't, then hopefully maybe you learned something or not. But yeah, I'm hopefully to keep going and maybe pass an eval once I get the hang of it. So yeah, cheers.